In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use secrets on Replit. First, open your Replit project. You can follow along in any app or template. The process is the same. In the left sidebar, click the plus icon to browse tools. In the search that appears, type Secrets. Select the option that says Store sensitive information, like API keys, securely in your app. This opens Replit's Secrets Manager, which lets you keep things like API keys and tokens out of your code while still making them available to your app at runtime. Before adding anything, take a moment to read the notice about access. Secrets are available to anyone who has access to the app. If you're collaborating, make sure your invite permissions are set correctly so only the right people can see or use them. You can adjust permissions in your app's settings and check the documentation for the latest details. Now, let's add one. You may see suggested keys like Session Secret. Click that to use it as a starting point. Click into the name field to confirm the key name, then click into the value field and enter a strong random value. Don't paste actual credentials on screen and never commit secrets to source control. When you're ready, save the secret. You should now see it listed in your Secrets panel. Open the configuration section to verify that your secret is recognized as an environment variable. If your app is already running, restart it so the new variable is loaded. If your project supports different scopes, you may see options to switch between project level and app level configuration. Use the toggle or menu you see to ensure you're viewing the right context. If you maintain account level secrets that you want available here, choose Link Account Secrets and confirm when prompted. This lets your app reuse secrets you've already stored on your account, helping you avoid duplicates and keep things consistent. When you're ready to deploy, start the publish flow. In the Publish window, open the More menu, select Secret, and choose New Secret if you need to add one specifically for this deployment. Confirm your entries so they're included in the build environment. Finally, click Publish. Your app will deploy with these variables available at runtime, without exposing them in your code or logs. That's it. You opened the Secrets tool, reviewed access and permissions, added a secure key, verified it in configuration, linked account secrets when needed, and published with secrets included. Keep your credentials out of your code, rotate them periodically,